How to remove payment method on TikTok. Hello everybody. If you are wondering how you can do it, you may follow up these simple steps. So first thing you can do is open up the TikTok application on your screen. And then once you open it up, you should be finding this. Now from here, what you can do is you may head over to your profile in the bottom right corner, tap on it. Once you tap on your profile like this, your profile opens up. Now from here, you may click on the menu bar at the top right corner and then a menu appears. Now from the menu, you may select the option called balance. And then once you tap on balance, a menu appears. Now from the given options on your screen, you may head over to the option called coins. If you have any balance, you can tap on it, or you can directly tap on get coins. And then wait for a bit. And here it will show you your balance. Now right here, what you need to do is look for your balance, tap on it. And once you tap on it, it will show you your payment method. Something like this. Now all you gotta do is from your payment method, you will be finding the payment method you've added, for example, PayPal wallet. Now at the top of the payment method, you should be finding a manage option. You may go ahead and click on it. So once you go ahead and click on manage method, here it will show you your account, the PayPal or any bank account that you've added. So all you gotta do is simply tap on it. And then once you tap on it, it will show you some information, including that you should be finding a delete option on your screen. You may just go ahead and tap on the delete option and confirm it, and the payment method should be deleted from your TikTok account. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to remove your PayPal or any other methods of payment method on your TikTok. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.